Thanks, Pat. It's great to see you all again. And UC Merced is still moving forward. We're going to open in September. We've had graduate students this last year, and we've got graduate student classes going on right now. But in September, September 6th, which is frighteningly close, we'll be opening with our first 1,000 undergraduate students. We had expected 6,000 applications to be able to get those 1,000 students, and in fact we got 10,000 student applications. So we're madly going through applications, and pretty soon we'll know what our entering class will look like. We have about 35 faculty on board right now. Our buildings are on track. The Science and Engineering building will be a little bit delayed. I'm hopeful that we'll be able to host this meeting perhaps a year from now in Merced. Our campus buildings, even though they're a little bit delayed, are ahead of the construction of hotels and motels in the Merced area, so we'll have to figure out how to do that when we have the CITRIS board meeting there. But we're anxious to have you out to Merced. As Pat said, we've got faculty on board not only at Merced, but we've got faculty now becoming more associated with CITRIS, and we'll have some faculty here today. I'd like to introduce the faculty. Tom Harmon, down here in front, you'll be hearing from him a little bit later, is one of our environmental engineering faculty. In fact, Tom has the distinction of being the first faculty member hired at UC Merced. Sitting next to him is Sean Newsom, the most recent faculty hire at UC Merced, and our first computer science and engineering faculty. So I'd like him to get to know as many of you as possible, because he'll be a very familiar face here at CITRIS as we move forward. David Ochsias, is David here yet? He was coming from Merced this morning, so he's a little bit delayed. David Ochsias is a member of our faculty in the School of Natural Sciences. He's a biologist, and he will also be serving on one of the panels today. So we're starting to see faculty involvement across the University of California, and in particular faculty who will be associated with CITRIS, and we're really excited about that. If you have an opportunity to come visit us at Merced, we're anxious to have you. We can show you the state of our buildings. We can show you our transitional research laboratories, and we're anxious to do that. So pretty soon we'll be having a formal meeting there, but you're welcome at any time to UC Merced. So I will stop there. I'll get a chance to meet many of you through the day. I'm going to turn this over to Shankar Sastry.